America's top investigation agency is suddenly talking about whiskey bottles instead of investigations. Yes, no plans, no espionage, no cybercrime, whiskey, bourbon. Well, that's a personalized alcohol gift, and at the center of this storm is again Mr. Kash Patel, the man leading the FBI under their president, Mr. Donald Trump. And according to a bombshell report by The Atlantic, Mr. Patel has reportedly been gifting personalized bourbon bottles carrying the word Kash Patel, the FBI director. The bottle allegedly includes his personal logo and the FBI shield. Now, let's just pause for a moment. This is FBI, an institution known for strict discipline and zero tolerance approach towards alcohol misuse while on duty. And now, insiders are allegedly whispering what is happening to this institution. Now imagine this in a Trump tone. In fact, the reports also claim that these bottles came from Kentucky's famous bourbon brand Woodford Reserve. And then came the part that shocked many inside Washington. The whiskey was allegedly transported using a Department of Justice aircraft. Yes, a government plane. One report says that bottles were traveled during Patel's Milan Olympics trip, where he was filmed celebrating and chugging beer with America's gold medal winner, their hockey team. Officials reportedly told The Atlantic that Mr. President Donald Trump, who famously does not drink alcohol, he was uncomfortable with the optics. But in America, image matters. And suddenly, FBI agents, they are talking about bourbon. Lawyers are talking about ethics. And former officials are talking about double standards. One former FBI employee, he even reportedly said that the whole situation demoralizing, while another described it as weird and uncomfortable. And then the story took a very strange turn. At an FBI event in Virginia, a training seminar involving recruits, officials, and even UFC style martial arts session, one bottle, it reportedly went missing. One bottle. And according to former FBI agents, chaos erupted inside the bureau. There were reportedly fear of polygraph tests, investigation, threat of prosecution, and that too over a missing liquor bottle. Can you imagine being an FBI recruit? You join to fight crime in the US, and suddenly the office, it is in panic over disappearing bourbon bottle. Former officials say that morale inside the bureau, it is suffering. In fact, one retired analyst even warned that this frightens me for my country. Because when discipline inside FBI, that becomes questionable, America starts asking who is policing the police.